Introducing each other. What is your name? My name is Ghassan. What is your father's name? My father's name is Yasin. Where do you live? I live in Peshawar. What is your address? Station Street, Al Muhammad Building, 2nd floor. What is your age? My age is 20 years. What is your nationality? I am a Pakistani. What is your religion? I am a Muslim. What is your occupation? I am a student. I introduce my friend Hassan to you. I would like you to meet a friend of mine. For how long have you been here? I have been here for a week. Is this your first visit? No, I came last year also. Are you happy here? Yes, I like the city very much. Are you alone? No, I am with my wife. From where you have come? I have come from Karachi. Why have you come here? I have come here for some work. Do you know me? Yes, I know you. Do you remember my name? I think your name is Hassan. Isn't it so? No, my name is Ghassan. I am sorry, Ghassan, I forgot your name. In fact, I have seen you after a long time. I did not remember your name well. But I remember your name. Your name is Muhammad, isn't it so? This is correct. How is your new flat? It is a reasonably good flat. On which floor do you live? I live on the 2nd floor. Are you married? Yes, I am married. Do you have children? Yes, I have 3 children. Two sons and a daughter. What is the age of the eldest child? He is 10 years old. What is the age of your youngest child? He is 4 years old. What is the daughter's age? She is 7 years old. Where do your children study? They study in an Islamic school. Where do your children play? This is a problem. I don't like that children play in the street. There's too much traffic on the street. This is a dangerous thing. I prefer that my children play in the playground. I take leave of you now. I hope to see you shortly if Allah wills. Go, in Allah's protection.